mayroon na naman tayong magic tricks guys. Ito yung pinaka-paborito kong magic tricks guys. Tanggalin mo natin dalawang joker guys. Katin natin guys. Hatiin natin sa dalawang files guys. Bubuksan natin yung top card niya guys. Dadagdagan natin yung naka-face up card guys. Pababa guys, pababa. Hanggang sa maging 1 siya guys. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Itong dalawang files guys dito sa ibaba, dalawang king to guys, yung top card niya. Buksan natin guys. The Magician is correct guys, dalawang king. Ito naman sa taas guys, yung top card niya, dalawang ace guys, or alas. The Magician is always correct guys. Thank you for watching guys.